What's up, everybody? So we didn't have a video last week because Paul, Brent, and I, and Tim, and all of our buddies were on our bachelor party weekend. So that's why there's no video last week. We might dub in some of the stuff we did last weekend, just up in Traverse City. But today, unfortunately, I'm still waiting on our newly machined brackets. So as you saw, worked out the kinks, got them kind of redesigned. I got our buddy remachining them, so they're not quite in yet. So can't really keep moving forward there, but we still got to finish up some stuff with the center console, so that's going to be today's video. Brake brackets will definitely be next weekend because we should have those back today's Saturday. We should have them tomorrow, Sunday, so a little too late for us to get the video out this week, but those will be next week. So let's get into that center console. Alright, so we got this out. The only thing we really got to do is box off the rest of this area, put in the floor there, and then cut the hole out of that plastic, put our latches in, and then we got our fully functioning center console. So yeah, that's the area. I already took the back panel off, but we got to basically make a vertical there, floor part there, and then cut the hole out of this section here, so that way we have our center console door here and we can get in and out of that area. Alright, so I went and got this piece of aluminum to border the door. These are the hinges that we're going to be using, and just got some smaller rivets to be able to go through these holes. They should just about line up. I might have to make them a little bit bigger, but better size than what I had before. So we're going to go home and get this back in. In case you're wondering, heat waves are ANSI certified, so they do qualify as safety glasses. So it's a super cool feeling, kind of having this all together. I still got to figure out a finger tab or something, because as you can see, when I'm strapped in here, it's actually kind of difficult to get into this area. But you see, it flips up, reach down, grab whatever I need to down in here, flip it closed. So there's a mosquito. Just get out of here. But oh, I just want to drive this thing so freaking bad right now. Yeah, how you like me now? We got a nice juicy one. Oof. Mosquitoes are out in full force.
Won't focus at all.
But still working on getting the handbrake plumbed up, because we're still waiting on brackets. I was hoping to get that done this weekend. Obviously couldn't. Still waiting on our buddy to get those done. But at least we got this in here. I'm probably going to design something a little bit different. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But this is kind of about where I want to like rest my hand. So I mean, most of the time obviously it'll be hands on the steering wheel. But still be nice to be able to rest my hand right here. Pull the hoon handle real easy, shift in and out of gear real easy, get at my phone real easy. Don't need the people seeing my password. So yeah, be able to play music. Super good feeling. I just want to drive it. It's rated, so I'm gonna make this quick. Hit that like button for us, leave a comment. It really helps us with the YouTube analytics. Next weekend is gonna be a video with the brakes. We're gonna get that whole rear end back together. Once we get that back together, we gotta start this engine rebuild. So hit that subscribe button. You're gonna wanna see everything we got going on with this truck. I'm being with Caswell Customs. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Do it. Do it.
What are we doing?
Well, don't fucking kill me.
Do it. Send it.
Send it.
I'm sorry, Tim.
Every time you swing, I
For anyone that can't see, there's some giant, like, impalers sticking out of this tree.
like here, here, and here.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.